Hey guys, I'm Miuccamatics and welcome back to my YouTube channel Miuccamatics. Today I'll be doing Statistical Methods Introductory Chapter. Statistics is defined as mathematical science which deals with collection, classification, tabulation, interpretation of numerical data. Use of statistics. Statistics is used in almost all fields of knowledge. It is used in natural sciences, applied sciences, social sciences, commerce, management, medical sciences and engineering science. It's most widely used in commerce actually. Statistics is used in commerce for estimating profit from costs, demand analysis, etc. It is used in management for decision making. It is used by researchers for data analysis. Statistics is also used for weather forecasting and astronomy. Some drawbacks. Even though statistics is very much applied, it has got some limitations. Statistics requires numerical data or quantitative data. It is not very helpful for analyzing qualitative data. Basically, statistics deals with numbers, so basically quantity. It doesn't deal with qualities. It doesn't study an individual item, it requires group of items or an aggregate of data. So we need a large sample basically, a large amount of data. Statistical predictions are only approximations. Statistics requires trained individuals to conduct analysis, otherwise data will be misinterpreted. Some definitions. Population and sample. Population is a set of all observations under consideration. It is also known as universe. A sample is a selected part of a population. So basically it's a small portion of the entire population. Variate and attribute. A variate is a quantitative characteristic whereas an attribute is a qualitative characteristic. Variate deals with numbers, attribute with the qualities. Examples of variate are height, weight, mass, age, etc. Examples of attributes: beauty, smartness, honesty. We cannot use numbers to describe attributes. Parameter and statistics. Characteristics of a population is known as parameter, whereas characteristic of a sample is known as statistic. Whatever we calculate for the whole population is known as parameter, and whatever we calculate for the selected sample is known as statistic. Collection of data. There are two types of data, primary data and secondary data. Primary data is the data collected for the first time, whereas secondary data is the data copied from other sources. The source of secondary data are newspaper, magazines, journals, TV, radio, internet. Primary data can be collected by conducting surveys. Now there are two types of surveys, census surveys and sample surveys. Census survey and sample survey. In census survey, we collect information from each and every individual in the population, whereas in sample survey, we collect information only from a selected sample.